Disclaimer. Before this happens, I just like to say that that this that I do not want to offend anyone, and if this is one of the things I'm saying is not the case, please leave it in the comments, and I will reply apology, and I will, if I haven't already, subscribe to your channel. I'm sorry. I'm angry today. Something bad happened, and I'll tell you later. Anyway, hey guys, it's Pool Master, and welcome to a vlog. Anyway, my first vlog will be about me and other YouTubers. I love all how you guys make a commitment to YouTube, or if you just watch, or you're just watching YouTube for one day or a small thing. Wait a second, I'm gonna check the subscribers channels and the people's channels, and anyway, I've been seeing recently that people wanted to know the secret, and I've also been getting some mail that people wanted to know the secret for my videos. Some people think it's the topic I'm working on, the commentary that I'm doing, and the happy commentary that I'm doing, to be honest, and the other things. And I'm really sad today. Something bad happened, but don't worry, I'll be up to my good self. And it's just that I got my throat sore today, as if you didn't know. Anyway, but the true meaning of a YouTuber is